So today I have a video featuring Nike's newest, latest and greatest innovation, the Nike Joyride. And I wanted to give you guys a look at the new technology, give you guys my first thoughts on feet, and just a little bit about what is Nike Joyride. What is going on, guys? Hess here, collectivekicks.com. If you guys would like to shop this week's top sneaker deals that I curate for you, check the link in the description. This video is going to be sponsored by Hibbett Sports. If you guys are not familiar with them, they are a big box chain. They have over 1,000 brick and mortar stores across the US. They've developed a really nice online and app shopping experience that allows you to check out the release calendar for future releases, as well as secure pairs locally in your stores if you use the app. Also, for more high demand products, they do offer raffle systems for like Jordans and Yeezys and stuff like that. So to check out Hibbett Sports or download their app, check the link in the description. These will be released on 8/15 through Hibbett Sports. In this video, I wanted to give you guys 5 reasons why I think that you guys should try the brand new Nike Joyride technology. But first, I wanted to give you guys a little bit more information about what this crazy new technology is all about. Nike says Joyride is engineered to help keep legs fresh by delivering a personalized underfoot experience with great impact absorption in a surprisingly light energy return package. Nike Joyride is a Nike-only proprietary cushioning system made up of thousands of TPE beads. For those wondering, Adidas Boost is made up of TPU. TPU is thermoplastic polyurethanes, and TPE is actually a copolymer of plastic and rubber that form the midsole. It also doesn't just form it in one spot, it actually forms it in not one, not two, not three, but actually a fourth section that's not visible. 4 different sections of pods of these TPE balls, and that is what the Joyride is all about. Engineering the pods helps solve the problem of the beads migrating too much around the foot and becoming uncomfortable. With the pods though, Nike designers were able to create what they call a zonal tuning for each respective iteration of the Joyride. There are roughly 8,000 total beads in each of the running shoes. 50% of the beads would cover the heel strike, while only 5% will cover the toe. The Nike Joyride Run FLYKNIT is the very first model that you see here to release on 8/15, but they do have other models coming, such as the Joyride NSW, the Joyride NSW Setter, the Joyride NSW Optic, and then the Nova for the kids. So there's a lot of other things that they're bringing to the table with this new crazy looking technology. They look like nerds though, and I kind of just want to eat them. And as I mentioned, I wanted to give you 5 reasons why you should try the Nike Joyride. So starting off with the first reason is that these little beads are actually really nice and lightweight. These are not as light as the Nike Epic Reacts, but they are actually really light because of these crazy little beads all over the midsole. It's not encased in a really heavy rubber, and the sole of the shoe has these little pod sections where there's kind of rubberized material, but it's not really heavy and thick. And that matched with the really minimal upper, these are actually really light on feet. Another reason why I think that you should try these out is because of the breathable upper. It is not a new technology. We all know Nike FLYKNIT, but they went with a Nike FLYKNIT upper across the entire front section of the shoe. On the inside of the shoe right here, it has more of a neoprene feel. There's also a little hyperfuse right here on the big toe. It's a sock-like fit from the upper that goes from FLYKNIT to hyperfuse around the laces, and then the neoprene tongue. And as you can see from the inside of the shoe, the liner from the tongue actually goes all the way to the back tab, but then you have this little loop on the back that looks like a friendship bracelet from 8th grade. I really wish I learned how to make friendship bracelets. Anyway, that connects, as you can see back here, to this back section panel. Kind of feels like a canvas-like material, but that adds a little collar padding around the shoe back here, and also little wings to the extra little lockdown. So it kind of has a 2-piece upper, the front section with FLYKNIT, the back section with added stability and then added comfort around the collar, and then a functional pull tab, which actually is really friendly. Shout out to the friendship bracelet again. But the overall upper is really breathable because of that FLYKNIT material. Another reason to try the Nike Joyride technology is the fact that it is a new innovative technology. Anytime you have a multi-billion-dollar company like Nike release something new and fun, it's definitely worth taking a look at, because you know they went the distance in engineering a new technology like this, and they did a lot of wear testing and product testing before they delivered it to the open market. So it's fun to know what they actually ended up developing and creating, and it gives us a chance to try it out and see if it was actually worth all of their efforts or not. And a continuation, the next reason why you should try it out is because this new technology is really soft and quite comfortable. It is unique on feet. There's no question it's different than anything else you've ever tried on. And that was kind of a fun, odd feeling when you try it on and you're like, whoa, what is this? Like, it feels like you're a giant person jumping into like a ball pit but like it's just in your foot. I don't know how else to describe it. It definitely feels like something's going on in there, and it doesn't feel like a standard midsole by any means. It's not uncomfortable and it's not amazingly comfortable the first time you step in, but it's just different. And then when you do take some steps, it actually feels pretty good. It just feels different. It kind of does move with your foot a little bit. Kind of reminds you of like one of those hand massager balls that are full of sand. That's kind of, again, the feeling that I get from these. If you guys think I'm wrong and I'm misleading people though, and you guys have tried them on, leave a comment in the comment section and let everybody know what your first experience was in the Joyride. So it was definitely an interesting feeling on feet. And then it has a nice soft cushioning as well around, and I don't know if this is React or what type of foam this is, but it's nice and soft. The other thing to note is there's no insole on this shoe. It's actually just like a kind of a neoprene liner, and then you can feel the Joyride underneath here, and it is soft and squishy. Usually you have that stroble or whatever down here that's usually pretty firm, or some cushioning over top, then you can't really enjoy the full sensation of the midsole. This one definitely takes that away, so you feel exactly what you see, which is, again, just a really bizarre and unique experience. But it is pretty comfortable. It's just something that you might have to get used to the first couple times you step into the shoe, and there might be a break-in period, which is why I plan on doing a 30 days after wearing this shoe video. So stay tuned on the channel after 30 days. Subscribe if you guys want to be notified of when those videos go live, so you guys can see that follow-up video. And speaking of follow-up videos, if you guys smash the like button a lot, I hate saying smash the like button, but I just wanted to see if this works. Smash the like button. If you smash the like button, I will actually cut a pair of these in half to see what is inside. I kind of want to do it, and so if you guys really want to see that, like the video. And if this video gets significantly more likes than most of the other videos that I have, then I will do so in the weeks to come. It's a lot of money though, $180 to cut one of these open. That'd be dumb. But anyway, I would do it for you guys. And the last thing that I wanted to mention for the reasons why I think that you should try the Nike Joyride technology is because it's just different. It's fun to have something different and new and innovative from companies like Nike. And when you wear a pair of these around, somebody will look at them and go, oh, those are the Joyrides, how do you like them? And it's a conversation starter in itself. I don't know, I feel like it's kind of fun to see something so wild and crazy, and it also sparks a lot of people's interest because it is so out of the box. Now, I do know that this looks a little bit similar to something that we've seen from Puma called Puma Jamming, and actually I will have a comparison video between those two technologies and more in a future video. But interestingly enough, I feel like these are just different and crazy enough. It garners enough of a reason for you to try them on, and if you do like them, you can buy a pair. Anyways, those are my reasons why I think you should try a pair of these out. Just a couple of side notes. The shoe is $180 for the FLYKNIT Run version that you can see here, and they release on 8/15, as I mentioned, hibbitsports.com. You can check the link in the description and buy your pair. Also, they do fit really low. It's a low top type sneaker, really, really low cut, and the fit is a little bit snug. I was told that they were snug, so I actually went up a half a size, so I got a size 10. Normally I'm a 9.5. I do have a wider foot, so a size 10 fit me absolutely better. 9.5 would have been way too snug. So throwing that out there for those people like myself, a little bit of a wider foot, definitely go up a half a size if you want them to be comfortable, because they are a little bit snug. That being said, if you guys have other things to add to this video, leave some comments. Hit me up on Twitter or Instagram at heskicks if you have any questions directly from me. Otherwise, thank you again for watching the video. Shout out to Hibbit Sports for sponsoring this video, and have a great rest of the day, and we will see you guys for some more sneaker videos very soon. Peace, guys.